Make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Coming right up. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing without a website for beginners. And also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a free gift. And also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing. So you don't want to miss these simple steps. So let's jump into today's content. Alright guys, so the first step you want to do before you start making money with affiliate marketing is the step one is you need to choose a niche. So basically a niche is something like you're passionate about or something you like to do for fun or anything like that. So basically you can choose between, like on my screen right now, you can choose like fitness, forex, make money online, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, dating, relationship, tech, and gadgets, anything of that nature. So anything that piques your interest. So basically, once you choose your niche, the second step will be to choose a product to promote. So if you don't have a product to promote, you're not gonna make any money, right? So basically, you can come to affiliate network or affiliate marketing programs like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and JVZoo. So once you choose your product, you can start picking products in your niche and picking different products and promote that in your industry. And then once you have that, you will go to have a platform for traffic. So without traffic and a product, there will be no money to be made with affiliate marketing. So you can choose platforms for traffic like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Quora, and that's pretty much how you get traffic, like free traffic. But if you want to do paid traffic, you can do like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, so Quora ads or Facebook ads, so anything like that. So let's break it down the first step, right? So once you choose a niche, right, you want to like break that more down. So for example, like you do fitness, like you can't just pick fitness because you can't just sell to anybody. So you can't. So you want to break that more down. For example, right? So like fitness, you want to do fitness for women that's like 30 something years old or 40 something years old, or you want to do fitness for men, older men like 50 something years old to 60 something years old. Same thing with dating. So you want to do like people that's like 20 or 30 something. You want to do for young people, or you want to do for old people. So you can break that more down, so you can make more sales more quickly. Because once you start being more specific, you start making more sales quickly. Because the more broad you are, the more like it's you're not gonna be able to track everybody with traction marketing, because the entry barrel is like too high, and everybody's not gonna like want that the specific product you're promoting. So that's why I say that. So for example, right, um, if you want to pick a niche, you can basically come to like a platform for picking products like ClickBank, JVZoo, or Amazon Associates. So that leads me to my second step, step number two. So basically, you can come here to ClickBank and find any product you want to promote. And the reason why I chose those three platforms for affiliate marketing, because those are a great step for if you're new to for affiliate marketing. So, for example, right, they teach you how to like pick a product you can promote and ClickBank. So as you can see, it said I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna just hold on. Let me turn the lightness on for you because I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay. So it says the first step, browse categories on the left, and step two is use the find products above and to search the keywords. So that's basically what you be doing. So basically, what they mean is like up here, the search bar to find products. You basically say your niche is like fitness, right? You type in the word fitness, and it'll pop up different products within fitness category. All right, so once that loads up, you got all these different products you can start promoting within the fitness industry. So just for example purposes, don't just ignore the like the average sale, because that's not products you will be promoting because they have no money to be made. But I'm gonna just show you an example of what you be basically looking for with ClickBank products, right? So basically, you got products like this, like 7% commission for fitness and dry pros and kettlebell. And so basically, what that means is like people that's interested in fitness, but they're interested in kettlebell, diet pro workouts or whatever. And then for example, right, this product right here says from fat to fit fast. So basically, anybody like that want to burn calories fast and lose fat at the same time, you choose this product to promote to specific people in that fitness industry. So if you want to like choose a dating product, which you basically do same thing, come here and type in dating, and just basically find products you want to promote as for the dating. So for example, this guy named Dave Angelo double your dating ebook. So anybody that would like to get a dating advice for men, you'll give basically promote this offer for men, specifically for men. Like I'm guessing between like 30 and 50 something years old. You promote this, and you get your link right here. It says promote, and you get your link right here and start promoting it. Now this is a important key factor you need to know for ClickBank. So basically, you can see the stats of the product to promote. Like you got the average rebuild and the average sale. So the average sale is like 90%, which is like very good. So and the initial sale of this is $9, as you can see right here and here. Um, so right here, so it's $9.60. Um, so basically, and then you got more stats down here like where the product is from and one-time billing. So you can see track the product like what type of product, one-time sale or one trial, whatever. So you can like that's what I love about these affiliate programs because it gives you like stats that you can track and stuff, and you can tweak and stuff in your affiliate campaign and stuff like that. So the next one is affiliate platform is JVZoo. They have a marketplace, and it's free to sign up, just like ClickBank. And basically, we do the same thing like I showed you on ClickBank. But but yeah. So as you can see, they're trusted with customers and rewarding, winning authority, and provided by top marketers. So I recommend you try all these three different websites I'm about to show you. So you can just try out JVZoo for yourself. It's just like ClickBank. So the last one is Amazon Associates. So basically, this is like very low ticket, but this is very good for very newbies like that have no experience online at all. So I recommend you to try Amazon Associate, even though it's low ticket. It's very beginner friendly, like because it's just a simple 3-step process. So what I mean is like at the down here it says join. That's basically the first step. So you basically join the Amazon Associate, and you advertise it or promote it, and then you earn a commission. And another reason why I say it's good for beginners because you know how like everybody in the world use Amazon, so they everybody like trust them a lot. So basically, if they come and buy your product, it's very easy to sell because everybody trusts Amazon and seeing their products so many times advertised and they know there's a good company, so it's easier to make a commission. Now with ClickBank JVZoo, it's kind of harder because it's like some people might be skeptical of the product, or they might like they might think it's a scam or whatever. It's kind of sketchy to them, so that's why it's like it's easy to use. It's easy to use and make money with, but it's like a little bit harder because it's like it looks kind of sketchy. So that's why I kind of recommend Amazon Social number one, and then try JVZoo and then ClickBank. So once you choose your product within these three platforms I just showed you, then you can start getting traffic. Pick your product like you can start getting traffic within your platform for traffic. So like Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Yeah. So once you choose your platform you want to pick, like Instagram, Facebook groups, or just Facebook or YouTube, basically you can then you can start promoting your product within that niche. Now, when I show you these three platforms, they all gonna be a different industry. So like this one is make money online. Then the other two are like dating, and the other one's health. So basically, for example, like you can just do any platform, like any niche within these platforms. So for example, like I'm gonna just show you, right? So this one is like make money online, and the head of this person is Jason Stone, as you can see the personal page right here. So basically, what you be doing is just give value within that industry and like daily tips or help them out with their problems and solve their problems. And then basically, how you gonna solve their problems is basically promote that affiliate offer that shows you where you get your product from, and basically put it in the bio or the description. Depends on their depending on the platform you choose. So basically, Instagram, you can just put in your affiliate link in the bio right here. So as you can see, it says learn how to start a profitable Amazon business. So basically, if people want to learn how to do an Amazon business, they'll click this link right here, and it'll take them to an affiliate offer. Okay, so basically, okay, so this would be, just say this for example purposes, this is a affiliate offer, and basically this would be the affiliate offer, and then you just click the person click here and just buy it. But I don't know what's the issue here, but So basically, that's pretty much what we doing. So you basically just be giving value, like here, like mentor tips, diet tips, wallpaper, anything, press, so your personal life, anything like that. Just give value. Like this person, I mean, like they just showing their YouTube and their family, and then down here, your main content you'll show like help them like show them Amazon business, anything that provide value within your industry. That's what you be doing, and that's basically how you make a commission. So the next one is Facebook groups. Okay, so once you in the Facebook group, so basically you want to come in the search bar and type in your industry. So this is for example purposes, but this is for weight loss diet. So anybody that if you have a product within ClickBank, Amazon Associate, or JV Zoo, basically you can come pick a product within weight loss and come this you come this Facebook group and start providing value and teach people how to like lose weight and give you different tricks and tips to do to lose weight and stuff and help people out. And then once you give value to people, you can start DMing them or they'll come to you and say, how can you help me solve my problem with this? And then you give them your affiliate offer. And then once they buy it, you get a commission. So that's very simple. So for example, right? So this woman right here, she gave me free samples of how to lose weight and stuff. And I'm guessing this is her affiliate offer. And she's showing the transformation for the different women that has used the product or whatever. So this is basically a good example for like product review. So it's showing the transformation of the women that use the product, and then once they're like interested in like, oh, okay, this maybe can help me, then they'll buy the product and you get a commission for that. So that's basically how you do on Facebook group. Now YouTube. I personally like YouTube because it's like it's search engine option. It's SEO, basically search engine optimization. So what that means is basically when if people type in a search bar right here like dating products or anything like dating, um, it'll pop up and you'll be like number one or number two, and basically that's automatic traffic, passive traffic over and over and over all the months to come because people are typing in that. Now with Instagram and Facebook, it's not like that because it's a social media platform. It's just now YouTube is just like Google, so it's a search engine optimization. So that's pretty much why I like YouTube because people are constantly searching up different products and different product reviews and how to do this or how to do that. So just like you're looking at how to do make money with affiliate marketing without a website. So just like that. So that's why I like YouTube. Now once you decide to do YouTube, what you can do is I'm gonna show you this example right here. So this person doing data product right here, and just say this is a data product review, even though it's not because it's a playlist. I don't know why, but basically what you would do is create a product review, just like now. Even though this is a better review, this is a better example, right? This dating and relationship product, right? As you can see, the product "How to Kiss a Man." I don't know if you can see it, but it says "How to Kiss a Man and to Make Love and Fall in Love." So basically, you got all the products and CBDs and testimonials and stuff in here. And basically, what you would do is you'll talk about the product, the good and the pros and cons of it, the product, and start making sales. And you can put the link, the affiliate link, in the description of the videos. All right, um, so basically, once you do a review for how to kiss a man to make him fall in love with you, you can put the affiliate link right here, and basically that's how you make a commission. So once somebody's interested in buying that product, they basically come here and they click here and basically go to the. So again, the three steps are basically first you need to choose a niche. So like fitness, forex, or dating, something like that. The second step is choose a product to promote. So you can go to affiliate program like ClickBank, Amazon Associate, or JV Zoo. And the third step is get a platform for traffic. So Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. So those are three steps you need to know to make this happen with affiliate marketing. I want to give you is basically a free affiliate marketing ebook. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z and all the ins and outs and how to avoid mistakes as a beginner. So if you want access to it, make sure you click the first link in my description. It will be the first link there. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on post notification. Also, make sure you comment and like the video because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.